Today, we're making an easy and delicious nasi biryani that's perfect for the whole family. First, let's prep our rice. Soak 450 grams of basmati rice in cold water for 30 minutes. Now, let's get our meat tender and flavorful. I recommend using bone-in short ribs for a richer broth. A secret ingredient for extra flavor is adding 3 tablespoons of coriander powder to the pressure cooker. Cook the meat for 35 minutes. For our spice paste, we'll need turmeric, candle nuts, galangal, garlic, shallots, and ginger. Blend these until smooth. Sauté the spice paste in a pan with a little oil and some lemongrass until fragrant. After pressure cooking the meat, we'll separate the meat from the broth. Add the meat to the sautéed spices and stir in 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce and some of the meat broth. In another pan, sauté some more aromatics like shallots, garlic, ginger, and spices like cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and bay leaves. To add some texture and nutrients, let's stir in some chopped carrots, tomatoes, and kidney beans. Then, pour in the meat broth and season with salt, chili powder, and coriander powder. Combine everything in a pot with the rinsed rice, cooked meat, and whole green chilies if you like it spicy. Add some soup leaves for extra flavor. No need for food coloring. The turmeric will give the rice a beautiful golden hue. And that's it! Our homemade nasi biryani is ready to serve. Enjoy with your loved ones. Bon appetit!